Hi! Welcome to our YouTube channel!
Yes.
Alright, so since it is our first video, let me introduce you all to my son whose name is
Atharvatari.
loudly,
Atharvatari.
and I am Anuradha. So we thought let's make a video on a science experiment, and we have this beautiful kit with us. Am I right, Athar?
Yes.
What is the name of this kit? So Athar, what is the name of this box?
Science experiment.
Well, the original name of this box is Science 61, and inside this you will find at least 61 experiments. It comes like this. You will find various materials inside this box. It also comes with this book in which you will see lots and lots of experiments to do at home with your family. So, which experiment should we do today?
This experiment.
Volcano?
Yes.
Since it is our first video, I thought let's do the spinning colors. Do you want to try this one?
Yes.
So for the spinning colors, we would require these two discs only.
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, so let's close this box and keep it aside. Let's bring this book in the center. Okay? How to do this experiment? Do you have any idea?
No.
So, what can we do now?
Mama, let's see in this book.
Good idea. So let's follow the instructions given in this book.
Yes.
It says that we will need this, which is a cardboard sheet. It is also called a color disc. And then the other one is the spinner. The first instruction is to insert this disc into this color disc like this.
Yes.
And the second instruction says that we have to now spin the top as fast as you can. Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Let's spin and see what happens. It is all colorful and
I want to see the green one.
Do you want to spin?
Yes.
You want to try?
Yes.
Come on, try. What's happening? Do you see something different happening?
Yes.
What?
Colors are spreading.
Colors are spinning. And I don't see different colors now. Wow. Let's do it once again. Wow. Look at that.
Yes.
Guys, did you see something different happening to the color disc? If you did, do comment down in the comment section. What different did you see there? Am I right, Athar?
Yes.
Take a moment, take a pause and quickly comment down what different did you see, and then I will share what actually happened with that. So what exactly happened with the disc? White is a mixture of different colors, even though it may not seem so to us. One could also say that all colors are contained in white light. It turned all white when I was spinning it. Thus, this is why white can be composed of the different colors, and that is exactly what you do with the color wheel.
Yes.
It is really your eyes that are observing the change in color because they cannot follow the fast spinning top rather than the object actually changing color itself. Wow! It turned all white, and white is a mixture of all the colors.
Yes.
So what just happened? What did we learn from this video? Well, Athar, we learned that white light contains lots of colors in it. Don't you think it is so magical?
Yes.
How all the colors mixed up and created a white on spinning it. And that is what happens with the rainbow also. That's why you are able to see rainbow in the sky. Did you learn something new today?
Yes.
So guys, if you found this video educational and new, don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
our channel. Bye-bye.